So what are your names?
I'm Naomi.
I'm Amy.
Rebecca.
Lewis.
What are your names?
Rachel. And I'm Mariah.
Okay, so I'm Olivia.
And I'm Hannah.
So what are your names?
My name is Timothy.
My name's Aaron.
So what are your names?
My name is Rory.
My name is Phoebe.
I'm Stephen.
I'm Megan.
Hi, my name is Toulouse.
Yeah, I'm Jessica.
My name is Dal. And I'm Johnny.
What are your names?
My name is Moana. I'm Lindsay.
And my name is Rachel.
What are your names?
Hi, I'm Ewan.
Hey, I'm David.
I am Daniel.
Hi, I'm Jack. I'm Jake.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And what does love mean to you?
Love for me is having grace for others and kind of wait to put together a full picture of someone before kind of judging them and anything. Just having grace for people in a situation. They're just human.
So love is an intense feeling of deep affection.
Love is just when people invest time into me or things I'm interested in.
Love means to me God love in sending Jesus and in Jesus humbling himself to love people even when they didn't love him back. Yeah. Love to me is spend time with family and friends. Yeah, just catch up.
I think I'd probably bounce off that and say the same kind of like loving people even whenever you're going through troubling times and maybe find them like, I don't know, like you're finding them a bit annoying or you're going through troubling times with them or you're not having great feelings together with them, it's still loving them anyway because we're human and we're going to make mistakes. Unconditional.
And what does love mean to you?
Love to me is more than just an emotional connection. Love to me is more of something that you want to do for someone, getting up every morning and wanting to do something for someone. I'd say action.
Putting other people before yourself. Good quality time. And no, that's it.
And what?
Someone once told me that they thought love was being willing to die for that person, so that's what love is to me.
Speaking to many friends.
I say love falls into a number of categories rather than one specific thing, so it's hard to say what does love really mean.
Love to me is caring for someone and showing someone kindness and putting others before yourself. We love because we first loved us.
Yeah, I'd say love is like just showing like a lot of affection and like really liking someone or something.
For me, God is love and God defines love and 1 Corinthians 13 and I love other people because I love God.
Is the big hack in the really cold room.
And for me, friends and music.
For me, love can mean a lot of different things depending on who it's with and whether it's from God.
For me, love is compassion.
I think love is a perfect example of Christ, and as Christians it's a really good target for us to live up to.
Yeah, I agree. Loving your family and friends, and also just like showing love in your day-to-day life with others. So,
Yeah, that's really good. But also, other things I love football, I love surfing, I love going to the sea, I love God, I'm Christian myself, and chocolate fountains and strawberries.
spending time with my family and putting God first.
Love isn't a feeling or an emotion, but it is the act of choosing to love someone every day.
And just taking time to have time for God.
For me, love is my feelings towards pizza.
I would quite like to hear and discuss like topics. So kind of what's really going on social media or in the news, kind of what's big or like what big challenges there are for young people. ultimately just back to basics. Just like the silly questions or, you know, the kind of an introduction. You don't know this is a podcast. I'd say probably I really enjoy listening to when they talk about the more taboo topics because they're not very often covered and it's very interesting. Sometimes you have a lot of questions about them, but since they're not talked about, it's hard to know where to find answers.
I think relationships and dating, I think just in today's society, like it's so hard, there's so many pressures and do's and don'ts, and but how to actually do it and do it in a way that's honoring to Jesus.
I think it would be really good to do like a mini crash course on like studying and like not just reading but like studying in depth and like really getting something from it, not just reading it like reading the Bible just because, like really studying it and learning.
I have a question. I would love to see like how the Bible is like relevant today and like how the Ten Commandments like fit into this like progressive society that we have today. So just how does that fit into today? Yeah.
I love learning about controversial topics like transgenderism and homosexuality and how we can orientate in life in our today's society while still being faithful to the Bible.
I've got a really good idea. It's good thing the original. No. Questions that boys want to ask girls about their favourite ask them.
Whoa! No. Like a topic like how to balance your schoolwork and like your studies within the Bible.
I'd say like mental health and like anxiety and sort of that. Definitely.
Podcast on relationships.
Okay.
I would say sort of like in terms of like music and movies and things today, because there's a lot of like controversy in what people would sing about and stuff that may not seem very Christian.
Yeah, I'd say so like to do with like the energy but the
I quite like Wildfire to cover how we can prioritise Christ as our main passion over all other passions.
Yeah, I'd say like fitting God in along with everything else in your life, and for instance sport and how you can serve God alongside that.
Love means so much to me, but often love can actually be a choice.
I think for me, love is putting other people before yourself. I think Jesus is the best example of this, and I think we just need to follow in his footsteps to do the same for others.
I love to learn more about purpose.
I would love for same-sex attraction to be covered in the Wildfire podcasts.
I think we should make sure to cover being Christian in sporting environments.
Good.
Relationships and advice surrounding relationships.
Interesting. Maybe something like about hearing God's voice. And ways like how to hear God's voice.
Love is a choice of putting another person above yourself. It would be really great if you could cover on how to be a missionary in your hometown.
The topic of anger, I think would be a really interesting one to go into. I definitely listen to that one for sure.
I would like to Genesis uncovered, I think.
I'm going to go the whole other end. I'd say potentially Revelation.
To go for a big one, I'd go for eternal security.
I think suffering is a big one that a lot of people struggle with, so I'd go for that.
Okay, what topics would you like us to cover in our Wildfire Podcast?
Dating, just because, yes, I don't think there's that much. Sometimes churches are a wee bit iffy on it, like it's an awkward subject, obviously.
Yeah, I would say yes, some dating advice in particular, like maybe boundaries advice inside relationships, and maybe how to cope with anxiety or stress, especially during exams. For me, going through school, uni, that's something which I sort of struggle with, so yeah, that would be great.
What are your names?
My name's Caleb. The first one already. Oh yeah, right enough. Is it like all just Caleb and then me, or is it like?
No, we'll back and forth.
Back and forth. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm starting again.
Take your time, just say.
Just say it. I feel like this is not.
Cheers, man.
This is not a working chemistry.
You're doing great. There's so much chemistry.
We haven't go past the name yet. Oh goodness, I need to say my name. Okay, I'll say my name. My name's Callum. I was going to use love in the flipping definition. That's going to work really well.
Yeah, Google.
Yeah,
definitions are very
Google love.
Absolutely.
Just say, yeah. What about say love is according to Oxford Dictionary? Let me just. For me, love is an intense feeling of. I think some of the topics that we don't want to speak about. So many topics that we just don't jump on.
Have you ever listened to the podcast?
I listened to one of them, I think. That was ages ago. Like one of my first ones, I think.
And what did you think?
It's pretty good. Luke is lively.
But it wasn't good enough for you to go back and
very lively. Just seen all Luke get to me. What a special guest! Hello! Special guest!
I love it! What were you speaking in?
We are speaking on what topics would you like to see the podcast with?
Whoa, the podcast can go? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, you love things that go.
Oh no, sorry again. Can we start again? Please. Yeah.
Go do the podcast, Luke.
Listen, I don't know. The whole point is I want to do what you guys do. That's why you orchestrated this little question.
Love football. I love Chelsea Football Club. Sorry.
But I'm not going to remember it. Yes. Okay. For me, love is an intense feeling of deep. I've forgotten it again. I'm really bad at this.
Okay.
Great. Yes.
Have you ever listened to the Wildfire Podcast? Yes.
Yeah. Have.
That's going in it.
You forgot that.
In between every single shot, I was like,
He's like, sure. Oh, God, I found myself so dirty. That's me getting like,
what does love mean to you?
Can that cover me for the first question?
You haven't answered the first question.
I haven't answered. That's why I need to cover. Have I done the second one as well? No, I haven't. I haven't got back to the first. Read out the definition. I've listened to a couple of this. Why do you go all like so? Just forget things.
Obviously.
Takes that one.
This is great content.
1-0, best of 3.
The first one.
Whoa, that's okay. I see what's happening with the camera. Okay, original.
And what does love mean to you?
Relationships, podcast relationships.
I think.
My name is.
Why were we brought in together? Okay.
Are you two friends?
No, we've literally just met tonight.
Really?
Yes.
So you're saying why we brought them together?
No.
Sorry. Okay. Just keep
Just say
My blank.
the pressure of camera, you just forget things.
Something that would be pretty cool, maybe, I'll give you an idea, is like questions that guys want to ask girls but are too afraid to ask. I'm stuck.
I'm gonna start so smart saying this.
Okay, go.
Love is the Wildfire Podcast.
Did you memorize that?
Yeah.
Was it long?
No.
I don't know. Do you what?
Yeah. Have you ever listened to the podcast?
Of course. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, my arms are really stuck right now.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Sorry, I'm gonna go over the top.
What is that?
Baby, don't hurt me.
Do you listen to this podcast? The Wildfire one? You didn't even know the name?
The
Vertical couple, sorry.